Borderless app, myXIndex. Why hasn't this existed before? An HTML tree viewer that looks down on labyrinthine folders and uncovers their gaps. How was file access before? Expanding one level at a time in a tree view, jumping from the sidebar, repeatedly opening and returning to folders. In other words, diving was the premise. But myXIndex is different. There's no need to dig through folders. The whole picture is visible from the start. Even with a labyrinthine folder structure, you can grasp it instantly by viewing it directly above. Even a side menu is unnecessary. In fact, its presence would only instruct the view. And this is not just a convenient tool. In today's world, advanced features and heavy UIs are commonplace. But as a result, operations become complex and performance tends to be slow. myXIndex goes against this trend. It doesn't use any special technology. Rather, it's an extension of a simple structure that's been around for a long time. But what happens when you run it on a modern browser? The performance is so excessive that it becomes incredibly lightweight. This is based on personal experience. In reality, the design is simple and processing finishes before the browser can even utilize its full potential. In other words, this is a reversed idea. Old technology times new environment. A lightweight structure is faster, easier to see and easier to use, and a heavily loaded app. No expansion, no getting lost, no going back, no searching. Just go and get where to see. The act of opening and digging through folders itself becomes unnecessary. And sometimes it's faster and easier to go and get what you want and to type in search terms. Beyond searching, even the act of visual inspection, searching is omitted. The previous era of tracing with a tree, the era of jumping with a sidebar, the era of searching and navigating, these eras end with myXIndex. I want you to experience folder management on a whole new level.